Today we are making chicken with long green onion sauce. What makes it so special is how the sauce creates the irresistible contrast between the crunchy exterior and the tender parts that soaked in the fragrant and savory sauce. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna chop the long green onions. Start by cutting diagonally on one side of the long green onion, about halfway through, but not all the way to the bottom. Flip and repeat on the other side and chop into small pieces. Save the green part for flavoring the soup like celery is used in Western cooking. If you don't have a long green onion, scallions or leeks work great too. Next, let's prepare the chicken. Remove any tendons and trim excess fat or skin. For better flavor and even cooking, make the shallow cuts across the meat so the marinade can sink in. For the marinade, combine ginger juice and sake and soy sauce. Season the chicken lightly since we are putting the rich long green onion sauce at the end. Let the chicken marinate while preparing the sauce. Heat a pan with some oil on medium heat and add the chopped long green onions. Cook until soft and fragrant. Add the seasonings and bring to a quick boil before removing it from the heat and transferring to a container. This sauce is great to keep in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Try it over salad, boiled eggs, or tofu or other dishes too. Now that our chicken is marinated, coat it thoroughly in potato starch. This gives it that crispy exterior that we love. Heat your oil up to 170 degrees Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit, and gently add the chicken. Fry for a few minutes on each side. When it's about 80% done, take it out and let it rest on a wire rack for a few minutes. During this resting time, cook the inside with the residual heat. For the perfect finish, heat the oil again and give the chicken a second fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's golden and crispy. Once the chicken is done, let it sit for a few minutes to settle the juice. Slice it into strips and place it on a serving plate. Generously pour over the long green onion sauce and your Japanese-style crispy fried chicken with long green onion sauce is ready. The combination of crispy fried chicken and fragrant and sweet and sour long green onion sauce is so delicious. Serve it with steaming hot rice for the perfect meal. You can't stop eating. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!